We have come up to northern Israel in Kiryat Shemona, which borders on Lebanon and Syria. You can see both of them. This city of 24,000 has been a city that we have adopted for years as Bridges for Peace. However, since October 8th, Hezbollah has launched an onslaught of missiles, over 6,000 missiles and drones against the communities in the north. Kiryat Shemona has been targeted specifically. Over 1/3 of those missiles has come to Kiryat Shemona. Over 700 missiles have hit, impacted inside the city, and there have been 1,400 Iron Dome interceptions above this city. So what does that mean for Kiryat Shemona? Well, on October 20th, the mayor issued an evacuation order, and 22,000 of their residents have left. They are scattered all throughout the country in over 500 locations. There are 2,000 people left in Kiryat Shemona, and in the next couple of weeks, 1,000 of them will leave. It's like a ghost town. We toured the city with Avichai, the mayor, and saw destroyed homes, completely burned, holes from missiles and projectiles that have penetrated homes and exploded, engulfing the entire home, vehicles, schools in flames. Kiryat Shemona has 7 kilometers of border with beautiful forest on the mountains behind me, and they have fought endless forest fires that have threatened to devour the community. They are not losing hope. They actually told us, we don't want to return Kiryat Shemona to what it was. We are looking towards the future, and with Christian friends like you, we have a hope for the future. So Bridges for Peace is here to give a donation, to bless the people of Kiryat Shemona, to stand with the people of Kiryat Shemona, to show love and to remind them that they are not alone, to remind them that millions of Christians all over the world care and pray and give and come to Israel to serve. Kiryat Shemona is not alone, and we at Bridges for Peace, we hear them, we see them, and we are on the ground with them to offer comfort, prayers, and blessings.